Hey everyone, and welcome back. You know how sometimes you're building something and there's that one weird screw or part that just doesn't fit the standard tool, and you have to fumble with it by hand?
Absolutely. And in the world of electronics manufacturing, those odd-form components can really slow down a fast-paced SMT line if you're stuck doing it manually.
Totally. So, how do companies handle those unique pieces efficiently?
That's where odd-form feeders come in. Think of them as specialized automation tools designed to integrate seamlessly with your SMT pick-and-place machines.
Okay, so what exactly do they do for these tricky parts?
They automate the process. These feeders can handle components from various packaging, whether it's tape, tubes, trays, or even bulk. Some models even cut or form component leads precisely before they're placed.
Ah, so they prepare the part and feed it automatically, taking the human fumbling out of the equation.
Exactly. They replace manual stations and handle components that standard SMT machines might not be equipped for. It's all about automating that assembly step.
Got it. Like having a little robot friend handling all the annoying bits. So, the big picture benefit for a manufacturer?
Significant improvements in both efficiency and precision. You get increased production speed and throughput, better quality and reduced waste through accurate placement and preparation, and substantial cost savings by reducing manual labor. It boosts overall productivity.
That's a game changer for any SMT line. If you're ready to stop fumbling with odd parts and boost your production,
Explore the world of odd-form feeder solutions.
automate your assembly today.